Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you I can't comment on TikTok. Firstly, you need to open your TikTok app. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, on the top right corner, tap on three-line icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. When you enter on your settings and privacy, tap on privacy. Scroll down and tap on comments. Here on the top you can see comments, tap on it. Here I've been set my comments on everyone. So if somebody you know has posted or created a video and set the comment on either to friends only or to no one, then you might not be able to comment on their video. If they say to no one, then nobody will be able to comment on their posted video no matter what. However, if that's not the case, if you can't comment on any video, however it's not a specific account, then there might be some issues. Let's go to our home page. If I go to someone's profile and go to all of their video, then TikTok might flag you thinking you are acting abnormal or you are bot. So if you comment on tons of video in short period of time, what actually happen is you will get flagged and commenting will be suspended for 24 hours. So this is why I can't comment on TikTok. Thank you for watching.